In this video, we'll look at how to use the WooCommerce Product Add-Ons Ultimate plugin to add a file upload field to product pages so that customers can easily upload any kind of file you specify. First, install and activate WooCommerce Product Add-Ons Ultimate. Edit the product where you want to add the file upload. Click on the Product Add-Ons tab in the Product Data section. Click Add Group, then Add Field. Choose Upload as the field type. Enter a field label that will appear on the product page. Enable Required Field if users must upload a file before adding the product to their cart. Switch to the Uploads tab for more options. Enable Allow Multiple Uploads to let users upload more than one file. Set Max Files to define the maximum number of files per field. If you want to charge for uploads, switch to the Pricing tab and enter a field price. Enable Price per Upload to charge for every file uploaded. Go to WooCommerce Settings, Product Add-Ons, Uploads to configure global settings. Set maximum file size in MB. Enable PDF uploads if needed, and select which file types to permit. You can also choose to attach uploads to order emails and organize files by order. Update your product and view it on the front end. Your customers can now upload files directly to your product pages, making it perfect for online print shops or any store that needs customer file uploads.